Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will go over the best apps for pickup trucks. We'll explore how these innovative tools can transform your driving experience, making your truck more capable and convenient. From advanced navigation tailored for larger vehicles to essential maintenance tracking and exciting off-road features, we'll cover everything you need to know. Get ready to discover how the right app can unlock your truck's full potential and enhance every journey, whether it's for work or adventure. When choosing an app for your pickup, several key features stand out. Specialized navigation is crucial, offering routes that consider your truck's dimensions and any attached trailers. Maintenance tracking helps you stay on top of service schedules and fuel economy, saving you time and money. For those who venture off-road, features like detailed trail maps and inclinometers provide vital information. The best apps offer a comprehensive suite of tools to support every aspect of truck ownership. There are several categories of apps that cater specifically to pickup truck owners. Navigation apps are essential for safe and efficient travel, especially when hauling or driving larger vehicles. Maintenance apps help you keep your truck in top condition by tracking vital statistics and service needs. For the adventurous, off-roading apps provide invaluable guidance and safety features on the trails. Finally, utility apps offer practical tools for tasks like towing and cargo management, making your truck even more functional. Choosing the right app for your pickup truck depends entirely on your individual needs and how you use your vehicle. Think about whether you prioritize navigation, maintenance, or off-road capabilities. Always check user reviews and ensure the app is compatible with your truck and phone. Many apps offer free trials, allowing you to test their features before making a commitment. The perfect app will feel like a natural extension of your truck, making every journey more efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.